that client has some I behavior, and that I behavior can be implemented by an interface or an abstract class or a class.
OMG, please help me, I don't understand what's going on. Can you please explain the difference between an abstract class and an interface class? I know you put in a lot of effort making a video to explain a more advanced topic with the assumption that I already understand the more basic concepts. But I don't want to put in the effort to learn the basics first. I want to dive straight into the advanced topics because I think I already know how this works, and I just want someone smarter than me to confirm my ideas. If you don't help me, I will have to give up on life because I'm too lazy to do my own research. You have to spoon feed me every answer forever. Love your videos, BTW. Please post more so I don't have to look anywhere else for information.
The main difference between an abstract class and an interface: an abstract class is simply just a class that usually contains at least one abstract method.